In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the payment method on Alibaba. Many of us who enjoy shopping on Alibaba may sometimes wish to switch our payment methods, whether it's from a credit card to PayPal or another option that better suits our needs. Today, I'll guide you through this process, making it simple and straightforward so you can get back to enjoying your shopping experience in no time. First, let's start by heading over to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. If you're not yet signed in, you can do so by simply clicking the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page and entering your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your shopping cart where you typically keep items before making a purchase. Once you're in your shopping cart, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. Here, you will have the option to review your items and, most importantly, to choose or switch your payment method. It's crucial to double check the items and their quantities to ensure everything's correct before moving on. Next, let's focus on the payment options available. At the checkout screen, you'll notice a section dedicated to payment methods. Alibaba offers several payment options including credit or debit cards and PayPal, among others. This flexibility allows you to select the payment method that you feel most comfortable with. If you're opting for a card payment, ensure that your card is authorized for international transactions, as Alibaba is a global marketplace. To change your payment method, simply select the option you prefer from the available choices. For each method, there might be different steps to follow. For instance, if you choose to pay via PayPal, you may need to log into your PayPal account to authorize the transaction. If you prefer using a card, you'll need to input the card details, including the card holder name, card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Before finalizing your purchase, it's essential to verify all the information you have entered is accurate. Double check your payment details and your order summary. Any discrepancies here could lead to errors in your transaction, delaying your order, or even leading to unnecessary cancellations. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections and payment details, go ahead and complete the checkout process. Your payment will quickly process, and you'll receive a confirmation of your order, usually both on the Alibaba site and through a confirmation email. And there you have it, a straightforward method to change your payment method on Alibaba. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure a seamless and secure shopping experience, adapting your payment choice as your needs change over time.